this guide, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate a business Instagram account. Before we do get into this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help with the channel and it lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. And if at any point throughout this guide you did have any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Now, before you even do this, you may need to switch your account from a business account to a personal account first. Once you do that, go ahead and open up Instagram and tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Once you go ahead and do that, you need to go ahead and select the three lines up at the very top and then select Account Center up at the very top as well. Scroll down on here and you need to select Personal Details, or what you may also need to go ahead and select is Manage Accounts. So select one of those two options. Find your account on here and you need to select Manage on it, and then you need to go ahead and select Deactivation or Deletion. Once you're in here, you'll be prompted with two different options. You need to choose Deactivate if you want to temporarily deactivate it, and then of course you can reactivate it anytime by logging back in, or Delete Account if you want to permanently remove that account, including all of the profile, photos, videos, comments, likes, followers, and so much more. Choose one of those two options, hit continue again, and then go through the process. You may have to enter in your password, just keep that in mind. But that's the full process right here. That is how you can deactivate a business Instagram account. If you guys had any questions, just ask them down in the comment section below and we can help you out further. I'm going to be doing my best to reply to every single comment down there. Before you do leave this guide, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help us out and it lets us know that you want more content. Have a great rest of your day though. Peace.